Are you looking for the best parking lot light? In this video we will look at some of the best parking lot lights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, LEDMO LED Parking Lot Light. This LED area light is designed to slip fit onto a round pole or several mounting options, sold separately, for walls, ceilings, and on the sides of round or square poles. With a photocell sensor, the outdoor LED floodlights can turn on automatically at dusk and off at dawn. There are many different areas in which this 200 watts light can be successfully installed. These include entrances, parking lots, parks, campuses, and many more. Moreover, it proves to be an ideal replacement for vapor lamps and street lights. The bright output is guaranteed along with high reliability. Basically, the brand LEDMO designed this LED area light to slip fit over a circular pole. According to the preference, the LED lights can be used with any one of the mounting options like ceilings, walls, and on the sides of square or circular poles. Features: compared to the 750 watts heat fixture, the LEDMO lights utilize only 200 watts of power. In this way, energy efficiency is conveyed. Pros: ETL/DLC listed. Photocell enabled. IP65. Good price. 5-year warranty. Cons: non-dimmable. Need an additional purchase adapter to transform the slip fitter into arm mounting. Number 2. High quality LED parking lot lighting. Get a flexible and easy installation with the high quality best LED parking lot lights. Featuring an adjustable arm bracket, you can angle either up or down from -30 to +30 degrees. The efficient swivel makes it ideal for a tennis court, parking lot, basketball court, stadium, roadways, and other large areas. Designed from quality aluminium, it gives you ultimate heat dissipation. Not only that, but the PC lens are an excellent addition for delivering excellent symmetrical distribution. Enjoy high performance without maintenance or multiple replacements. Unlike the incandescent bulbs, we love the waterproof construction suitable for wet and damp locations. Furthermore, its enclosed structure stands up to cracking, corrosion, rust. Even if this item detects moisture, it does not cause fires or electrical shocks, making it super safe. A unique function is the rebate eligibility with DLC standard suitable for national and state rebate programs. This 150 watt LED light with a durable photocell provides up to 19,500 lumens to brighten a large space. Replace your 400W metal halide bulbs and save up to 70% energy use. Another advantage is a modern design that has 110V dimming standard to help dim between 10% to 100% dimming range. That gives you over 50,000 lifespan hours if you use it for 6 hours in a day. We recommend this because flexible and easy installation, adjustable arm bracket for customized lighting, quality aluminium delivers optimal heat dissipation, excellent symmetrical distribution, waterproof design works well in wet locations. Number 3. EverWatt 240 watts LED outdoor parking lot pole light. EverWatt installs easily in any situation to give you an ease use. It comes with a direct arm bracket that connects to the side of your pole. Alternatively, you can use the adjustable slip fitter bracket to connect onto 2.5 inches poles. The design makes it easy to replace any metal halides fixture as you adjust the light angle. The above accessory works with or without the provided photocell. If you want to remove it, twist it off and twist on the shorting cap that helps bypass the photocell sensor. Now, you can enjoy a simple dusk to dawn experience without using tools. With a 5000 K light temperature, it is bright to illuminate a broad area. Also, you can use it for sports stadiums and fields, parking lots, streets and more places. As earlier stated, the photocell also uses the LED chips to deliver 372,152 hours as well as 140 lumens. That means value for money, less heat, and lasting brightness. Comes with a surge protector to prevent electrical damages. Made of waterproof material, this item is safe for all seasons. Set it up during rainy, snowy, and hot months to get reliable lighting. We recommend this because easy to use and install. The direct arm bracket lets you mount to the pole side. Simple metal halide fixture replacement. Provides 5000 K light temperature. Delivers up to 372,152 hours lighting. Number 4. Alpha 1080X Street Light. If you are looking for a low power parking lot light, then I would not hesitate to recommend Alpha 1080X. The following 4 reasons are enough to convince you. 3 mode setting. Green LED indicator. Dusk to dawn lighting. Per sensor does not function. Blue LED indicator. Per function is activated. Dim mode 165 lumen. Full brightness 1300 lumen. Red LED indicator. Per function is activated. Light is turned on when detecting motion. No motion, no light / complete darkness. No trenching because the Alpha 1080X is a standalone, self-contained solar street light system. You need not pay the additional costs of digging trenches for your underground wiring and running an underground wire from the nearest electrical transformer to your lighting system. No electric meter with the Alpha 1080X. There is no need to meter your lighting system. This means you save the cost of purchasing and installing a meter, and the electrical connection fees. No electric usage and demand charges because the Alpha 1080X is entirely solar powered. You need not pay for electrical usage. Once fully charged, the battery power can last 2-3 days in a cloudy condition. Pros. Mode setting. Replaceable battery. Adjustable mounting bracket for optimum sunlight exposure. Cons. A bit expensive. Not bright enough. Number 5. Stasin 8100 LM LED Floodlight Outdoor. Stasin is the best LED parking lot lights that cover a larger lighting area. You can customize the coverage with the 330-degree pivot from side to side. Also, installing this lighting system is flexible and simple to illuminate dark places such as parking lots, garages, and streets. Featuring 6 Tickery LEDs, this item produces 27,000 lumens, similar to 18,000 watts. That saves you 88% of electricity bills you use for lighting purposes. The anti-glare and shadow-free design delivers efficient lighting while adding safety to your home. No more worries about high energy costs and security during the night. We love the warm white light that gives you 3000 K of brightness. Made of a durable die-cast aluminium casing, it is more long-lasting than other materials. Besides, the shock-resistant PC lens has excellent heat dissipation, making this floodlight cost-effective. Apart from lasting construction, a convenient thick heat sink with a fin style acts as a radiator to dissipate heat. Moreover, this gadget delivers longer performance than conventional incandescent light. You can get 50,000 hours lifespan without maintenance and worries about malfunctioning. It is IP66 waterproof rating, making it suitable for outdoor wet conditions for your yard, garage, parking lot, stadium, or driveway. Product features: straightforward installation, very bright and lightweight, water resistant and good light distribution. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.